Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to my Robinhood portfolio. As you can see here, today I'm going to be doing a little bit different type of video. Today I'm going to be talking about real estate investments, in particular rental income properties. As you may or may not know, some of the viewers who have been on the channel for quite some time will know that not only do I do stock market investing, I also do real estate investing. And with my real estate investments, I do income property investments. So I have 3 different rental properties currently, looking to add to my portfolio of rental properties. I typically buy properties next to universities. There's always high demand for rental properties next to universities. A lot of university students are always coming and going. There's also a lot of housing shortage around universities. Typically dorms are always full and students are always looking for somewhere to live close to the university campus. So I've invested in 3 real estate investment properties next to universities, looking to add some more. And I thought it might be kind of fun to do a new video series kind of going through and evaluating my real estate investments. Not only some of the new properties I'm taking a look at, but also how I go through to evaluate different properties. You can see here a rental property calculator. This goes through some of the fundamental metrics that I take a look at rental properties to see if these are going to be profitable over the longer term or not. So really this video is meant to kind of solicit some opinions on interest if you guys would be interested in going through different real estate investment opportunities with regards to rental income properties. I haven't really talked about this at all. I think I did a video quite a while ago talking about some of my real estate investments, but really didn't do any update video after that. So I thought I'd kind of go through and talk about the real estate investments I already have, and then also taking a look at some of the real estate investments I'm looking to get into. And again, I'm going to be going through kind of how I go about evaluating whether a rental property is going to be a good addition to the portfolio or not. Taking a look at some metrics here. For example, I have a good calculator, a rental property calculator. This isn't the best one, but this is the one that I found today. Kind of goes through, and I have my own way of doing this. I have a spreadsheet essentially, but it has many of the same metrics that this calculator does. Looking at first the purchase price of the particular property, and then also the expenses regarding a loan. It's always best to do a rental property through a loan because you get essentially an increased exposure to rate of return because you don't have to put down the full amount. For example, if you buy a $100,000 property, this is just the default here calculation. If you put down a $100,000 cash, yeah, you can buy the property outright, but then you have that $100,000 locked up into the home. So $100,000 can't be, for example, on the stock market making interest. It can't be in another property. It can't be used as collateral on a different investment. So you really have to factor that cost into buying a home. So if you buy it on, for example, a loan that has 4 or 4.5% interest rate, here it looks like the default is 4.5. You only have to put down maybe $20,000, 20% down payment, but you still have that rental property. So yes, you're going to have to pay a little bit back with regards to interest on that, but any principal you pay and any of the fees that you pay will be taken out of rent. So you'll still be making money per month, but without having to invest that full $100,000. So those would be some of the things I'd be talking about with the rental income investment series. Basically talking about my experience in real estate investments, how I go about evaluating properties, and then some of the things that new investors should think about when getting into real estate. So just kind of wanted to put this video out to see if there's any interest in that. I might put out a few videos here, first going through some of the properties I own, and then going through some new properties I'm owning. And really, this is meant to be an educational experience, not only for myself, but for you as well. How to get into real estate, how to get into real estate income, passive investments, and really how to evaluate properties that can be added to the portfolio. So investing is not only about stock market investing, it's about real estate, it's about many different types of investments. So I thought I'd kind of do a video series here. It's kind of fun as well. The whole point of the stock market investing series, the Robinhood portfolio series, was to learn about investing, learn about the stock market, get some input from you guys. So I thought I'd do the same thing with my real estate investments. So if there's any interest, please let me know. I don't want to make this video too long. This was sort of an introductory video talking about some of my real estate investments, or at least starting a series talking about my real estate investments, and if there's any interest on the channel about doing that. So yeah, if you guys have any interest, let me know in the comment threads down below. Either way, that you would be interested or you would not be interested. And if you would be interested, please let me know what types of topics you'd like to talk about. Again, with the Robinhood portfolio, with the stock market investment portfolio, any good ideas about real estate investing, things to talk about, things to read up on, please let me know. I'm always looking for new topics to read on, not only stock market investing, but as well rental income investing as well. So again, not to make the video too long, I'll kind of end it there. As always, if you guys enjoy my videos, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. And until next video, we'll see you then.